सीज फायर किया गया। उनके मुताबिक पाकिस्तान ने अफगान हुकाम को दो टोक अंदाज में आगाह किया है कि कोई दरअंदाजी नहीं होगी और TTP को उनकी सरजमीन पर कोई सहूलत फराहम नहीं की जाएगी।
Clearly, spelled out that there won't be any incursions and TTP will not have any facility on their soil. We kept on repeating, and obviously they deny it, but in an implied way, both the countries, Turkey and Doha, Qatar, they pressed upon them that this is the main bone of contention, that your territory or your patronage or your support is there for TTP to operate in Pakistan. So we told them that this is something which everything hinges on this one clause. There is no timeline to it. We just extended it. And there was no timeline that we'll watch till such and such date and then extend. It's we are at the moment we have a ceasefire agreement. As long there is no violation of the agreement.